Facing an unprecedented pandemic event, we at Dexter have decided to participate to the overall effort by providing a free access to the dedicated Inquiro Insight Engine portal. This portal is available at covid19.dexter.io. To log in, simply use guest as user and password. Now that you are connected to the homepage, you have access to the COVID-19 search engine. You can either type in your search criteria or click on chemical search, where you can search our database by importing or drawing your molecule through an embedded ChemAxon module. On the home page, you can also access the Explorer that shows you the overall dataset available. If you click on Explorer, you'll see a brief explanation on where the data is coming from and also what you can do with the COVID-19 portal. On this page, the search toolbar is also available. Let's search for the results related to the term lopinavir, for example. On the result page, you can see all the documents related to the search criteria. If you want to read a document, you can easily access it by clicking on the thumbnail to the right. At any moment, you can refine your query using the facet filters. Based on your new results, you can now cross them in 2 dimensions using a heat map. Choose the 2 dimensions of interest for your research and see how the data is distributed. You can rearrange the data in each dimension and even zoom in on a subset of the view. Clicking on a square, you can see all the documents related to the cross. Right-click on a document to access it. On the next page, you can read or download the file, and you also have a comprehensive view of all the metadata that has been assigned by our automatic annotation engine. We hope you'll find our portal useful. If you need any help or information, please contact us at inquiro-covid19@dexter.io. Thank you and all the best in your future research.